Hi, my name's Mark Hacker. I'm a superintendent with the Weitz Construction Company. And this is Nate Brigade. He works for the Elite Glass Company, and he's going to show us how to do water testing on our building here at the Bessie Hall project in Ames, Iowa.
Hi, I'm Nate Brigade with Elite Glass and Metal. We're going to do a Monarch Nozzle water test on the Bessie Hall project to try to look for water infiltration and show how that process is done. All right, so this is the Monarch Nozzle test. We're using a Monarch Nozzle attached to a spray wand. The temperature is between 30 and 35 pounds, which Brian's spraying right about 34 pounds right now. Basically, we get water from a source, run it through a pump, bring it out, spray it between 30 and 35 pounds. We hold the nozzle about 12 inches away from any metal member of the window, and we spray each area about a foot per minute. So we start at the bottom and work our way up. As we're spraying, we'll do, if there's a 4-foot section, we'll do that for 4 minutes. We'll work our way then up a vertical member for about as long as it is, and then we'll go to the other vertical member and work that one also, and then across the top on this particular window. We can do pretty much any size of window. We just always want to work from the bottom up, and we want to start and we want to spray about 1 foot per minute as a total. So as we're spraying on the outside, we always have someone inside looking for water infiltration. While he's spraying, we sit in here and watch and look for any water. We can do it visually. We can use paper that absorbs water to see if anything's getting wet in places we can't see, or we can use a thermal imaging camera to see any cold spots in the water or in the framing. Brian will continue to spray as we set outside at about a foot per minute. We continue to watch and monitor all the areas to see if anything is becoming wet inside here. Once we do see a potential issue, that's when we go in to try to figure out what could be wrong and why the water is coming in the building. If we don't have any water coming in the building, then that's a good thing. During the test, the way the thermal imaging camera works is it picks up any changes in temperature. Since the water is cold and we have a nice hot day today, that temperature change gets picked up pretty easily. Right now we're videotaping the mullions to see if there's any water coming in. It doesn't appear like there is anything. As we do this, if any water does come in, it would turn blue on the camera that we would know that it would be cold. Right now this was drywall mud was applied earlier today, so this drywall mud is still wet, and it shows a blue line on here, but that's actually just the drywall mud being wet. If it was an actual leak, it would show up very similar because drywall, as it gets wet, would look like that. So right now we don't have any leaks. There's no water coming in. As we search for anything, everything's still dry, and we have a successful test.